Good evening, sir. I'm Sofia Bianca Itarayo, and I am BSIT 3J. Ito po yung sa akin. First, Laravel routing and middleware. Subtitle: Simple routes, name routes, route groups, middleware, and CSRF protection. Introduction: Laravel is PHP framework for building web applications. Routes connect users' requests, URLs to responses. And the third one is the middleware filters and secures requests. First, simple routes. This is the definition. A route connects a URL to a function. Sir, ito po yung example code. Sir, gumamit na lang po ako ng mga snippets codes po. In real life example, it shows the About Us page of a website. Next, name routes. Definition: name routes make it easy to reference routes. This is the example code, sir. And the real life example is name route redirecting users to their profile after login. Third, routes groups. Definition: groups allows applying common settings to many routes. Example code, andyan na po. The real life example is organizing admin-only pages. Dun lang po siya nagpo-focus. Next, middleware. Definition: middleware filters HTTP requests. Example code, ayan na po. Middleware, real life example, only logged in users can access the dashboard. Next is form and CSRF protection. Definition: CSRF protects forms from fake or malicious submissions, or pinoprotektahan niya yung parang basta pinoprotect niya yung form. Real life example ensures only valid forms are submitted. Conclusion: routes connect requests to responses. Next, name routes simplify redirection. Third, route groups organize routes. Fourth, middleware secures access. And last, CSRF protects forms. Yan lang po. Thank you po. Good evening, sir.